Hello, this is H1, and we're going to be running it back with another episode talking about chess knowledge, chess wisdom, and chess understanding. Today we'll be discussing the U.S. Chess Championship of 2022 and the U.S. Women's Chess Championship of 2022. So first of all, the U.S. Chess Championship will return as an elite over-the-board national championship event featuring the 14 strongest chess players in America. And I'm reading from the U.S. Chess Champs website right now. Over the course of 13 rounds, these competitors will battle for $250,500 in prize money in a coveted title of 2022 U.S. Championship. And then the women's tournament, they will battle for a 13 round strongest female chess players in America. Competitors will battle for $154,000 in prize money and be the coveted title of 2022 U.S. Women's Championship. All right. U.S. Women's Champion. All right. What is going to be the time control in the rounds? When is it going to start? What's the date? Let's figure that out. Okay, so the ceremony, the October 4th, will kick off the chess festivities, that's what it says, with the public opening ceremony for the 2022, and it will be daily rounds that will start at 1 p.m. Central Time. The dates will be October 4th through the 20th of 2022. It's going to be at the St. Louis Chess Club, 14-player round robin, and the prize, and this is the U.S. Championship section. The prize fund will be $262,000. Tuesday, October 4th, the opening ceremony will start at 5:30 p.m. and then it's going to end with the closing ceremony or possibly playoffs on October 20th. First place will get $60,000. Second place will get $45,000. Third place, $35,000. Fourth place, $25,000. Fifth place, $20,000. Sixth place, $14,000. Seventh place, $11,000. Eighth place, $10,000. Ninth place, $9,000. And let's just go to the last place. The 14th place will get $5,500, which is still a good portion of money to be getting last place. All right, there you go. Let's look at the field right quick. Who will be playing in this field of the U.S. Chess Championship? We got Wesley So, Levon Aronian, Fabiano Caruana. The current rating is 2758. The current rating of Levon Aronian, 2759. And the current rating of Wesley So is 2771. He is the highest. I don't see Hikaru Nakamura playing this year, which is kind of strange, but hey, it is what it is. Lanier Dominguez on 2745, Grandmaster, 38 years old. Sam Shanklin, he's 2712. Jeffrey Schoen, which is crazy, but he's 2690. Ray Robson, 2690. Hans Niemann, his recent rating is 2688. He's 19 years old, so he's going to be attending the U.S. Championship. Sam Sevion, 2684. DeRuz, I don't know how to say his last name, but it's 2652. Awonder Liang, 2608. Christopher Yo on 2563 rating, and El Shan is 2537. Alex Linderman is 2535. And those are the contenders for the U.S. Championship of 2022. Now let's go into the women's section. The women's section, same dates, same format. Well, we'll probably talk about the time control format later on, but yeah, everything is pretty much the same except for the prize fund. First place will get $40,000, second place $30,000, third place $20,000, fourth place $15,000, and then so on by the 500s. Fifth place $9,000, sixth place $8,000, seventh place $7,000, and yeah. The 14th place would get $3,000. Everybody gets money, a good portion too. In the field who will be playing in the women's championship, and I tried to look over this before I got to it to remember everybody's names, but I'm sorry if I butcher some people's name. But we got Arena Crush, Anna Satonsky, Arishta, Ashritha, and we got Nazi, Bijam, Rochelle Wu, Tatev Abrahamian, Jennifer Yu, Thalia Cervantes, Alice Lee, Ru Yang Yang, Megan Lee, Sabina Forger, I think it's Sabina Forger, Sophie Morris Suzuki. Oh yeah, and let me see their ratings right quick. Their rating on Arena Crush 2432, Anna 2371. Well, it seems like it's just 2400 and down. All right, there you go. Okay, so that is the fields of the 2022 US Championships. And we'll talk about the regulations next time. But yep, there you go. If you was curious about who's going to be attending and what's the prize fund and when is it going to start, I'm glad I can give you this information. Thank you.